Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Ripple using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open up the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section, and here at the top of the screen, you will see 4 icons, the send, receive, buy, and trade icons. Now, if you want to get Ripple in your wallet, you can either buy Ripple or you can receive from others or from a different wallet of yours. Then just tap on receive. And here you can either use the search bar to search for cryptos or just scroll down and look at the list. Now, here is Ripple. And if you tap on it, you will receive your Ripple QR code. And you can scan this QR code to receive Ripple, or you can tap on the copy button and copy your Ripple address and send it to others so you can receive Ripple. Now, in the middle of the screen, there is the set amount icon, which is a very cool feature. By tapping on it, you can set a specific amount of Ripple, and then you will get a new QR code and a new address. And with this address and this QR code, you can receive only this specific amount of Ripple, which is a very cool way for transactions or payments. And also there is the share icon, and using this share feature, you can share your QR code or address on social media and other platforms. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.